Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to focusing how to create a blog post and how to make your own blog. It's very pretty easy in WordPress. Just see here in the next steps in the dashboard, you observe here to see the next steps. Write your first blog post. Just simply click this, write your first blog post and see you will see the how we are going to writing a title like WordPress like a lesson and start writing something here. This is WordPress lesson and lectures will come here to know more options and like a themes something. I am prepared here. That's it. Now, if you want to see this, yes, you can correct it by adding the Grammarly. Yes, W by default WordPress will be like this. So it is the correct thing. So now WordPress and themes, MES it is come like themes. Okay. Well, now see the preview. The button once it is the blog post is created. Now see the preview how it is generating the preview. See here, it's a wonder. First blog post is successfully completed. WordPress lesson, the admin, and like see the date and no comments, edit and uncategorized. The admin is posted, and see this as the social media will be follows. If you want to make it your local links, you can set ads from admin panel and other who is displaying here. Everything is ready. So how you need not to worry to create much more like a stress on the work of creation of your blog and blog posting. Just create a write a blog post. It will be done. That's it. How pretty it is easy to create your first blog. I hope you are very much pretty easy and understand about to like creating your first blogs and creating of the post. You will learn many things over here. And similarly, you will learn the manage the widgets and managing the menus, setting up your home page. If you want to create more beautification, you can set. And also applying the theme itself, you will get the home page and all. Not to require much more. And see at glance, it is showing one post is there, one page is there, and a WordPress theme running with the Spina theme, and one comment is also there. It will be shown like this. Everything will be covered over here. All you have to know from where to where you are going to seeing all the things. That's all about this blog posting. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.